Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how to model Cotter, which is part 3 of sleeve and Cotter joint in SolidWorks. The dimensions of the cotter pin are given in this particular slide. Let's now model the part. Go to New, select Part Modeling and then click on OK. Select the right plane, make it perpendicular, click on Sketch and draw the sketch. Click on Line, after drawing the lines, we'll modify the dimension. This would be 90 millimeter, and we'll make it exactly half, or the plane in the middle. So we'll select the midpoint and this edge, and the dimension would be 45 millimeter. Now we'll set this dimension, which is given as 34.5 millimeter. As there is a taper, we will give this dimension 31.5 millimeter. Alright, so 3 mm is reduced because there is a 90 mm length. Since 1:30 is the taper ratio, we have, for 90 mm the taper size should be 3 millimeter. So 34.5 in the upper side, 31.5 in the lower side. The dimensioning here is over, and we need to add a small circular pattern here. To add that, we may select circular arc. We may use a 3-point arc for this purpose. So click 1. Okay, it's coming in opposite direction. Escape. Click on 3-point arc. Click the first point, second point, which is the end point, and click wherever you wish to click on to set the radius. Similarly, we do it in the bottom. First point, last point, and some area. Say OK. Now we have to remove this line. To do that, we can click on Trim option. Click on Trim Entities here. Set the power trim on, and by clicking and crossovering, we can remove this line. Left button click and I cross over. Left button click and cross over. Right. Now the sketch is OK. Click on OK. Select the sketch. You can even see in isometric projection, it looks like this. Select the sketch. Go to Features. Then click on Extruded Bars or Base. Here you select the mid plane so that the plane is in the middle, and give the dimension as 6 millimeter. Click on OK. Now we need to add a fillet in all 4 sides. For that, click on Fillet, Then items to fillet and radius should be given. The radius is 3 millimeter. Now we'll select the items. Edge number 1, edge number 2, and in opposite sides, edge number 3 and edge number 4. So we have selected 4 edges and then click on OK. That's all. The part is ready. Thank you.